Hurricane Beryl made history as the earliest major hurricane that we've ever seen on record. Since then, the tropics have gone quiet.
I know it sounds great to say, but we should not get too comfortable about that. Meteorologist Dave Downey explains why we are still expecting a rather active season.
Well, ever since Hurricane Beryl made landfall just south of Houston a few weeks ago, the tropics have been completely dead in the water, no pun intended. And that's going to stay the case likely through the end of the month, which is middle part of next week. No tropical development expected over the next week per the National Hurricane Center. But of course, that's going to change later on in August. Here's the reason why. Look at all this dust from the Saharan desert flowing off the coast of Africa, carried by the trade winds. This dust limits tropical development because it's basically just dry air that disintegrates, any sort of moisture trying to form down there in the main development region of the tropical Atlantic, which is between the Lesser Antilles and the west coast of Africa. But again, like we said, this is going to change by likely the first week of August. The Climate Prediction Center has outlined this area in the Caribbean and the southwestern Atlantic there for a 20 to 40% chance of formation of a tropical system during that first week of August. And of course, it makes sense. Ocean temperatures right now are going a little crazy, to say the least. We got a 91 there just offshore of Nassau, 90 west of Tampa, and of course, plenty of 80s down there. This is more than enough to sustain a major hurricane, let alone a regular hurricane, category 1 or greater. Here's where the graph is. We've still got 90+% of the season to go. We really don't pick up until the middle half of August into October. The peak, September 10th. Buckle up for the next couple of months. We'll be watching things carefully. August and September, really the 2 months we need to watch here in the Carolinas. Dave Downey, CBS 17 News.